Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to do Griddy celebration in EA Sports FC 26 and why most players actually can't use it. Let's get started. So technically, the Griddy celebration input is just by holding the R2 or the right trigger and tap and flick the right stick up twice. This is the same input by many players after trying a score in the goal. However, the EAFC 26, the greedy celebration is not available by default. If you try the input without unlocking it, the game will usually trigger the Cristiano Ronaldo snap celebration instead of not the greedy. Back in FC25, players unblock the greedy by completing specific objectives, maintain the ultimate team, and players who unlock it back then can still use it in FC26. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.